today I'm going to talk about the Nature's Bounty Melatonin. This is 1 milligram, which is really all you need. There's a lot of these bottles out there or of different supplements or melatonin. They usually are like 3 milligrams, but 1 milligram is really proven to be all you need because this is not a sleep medication. This is a supplement, something that helps induce sleep. So there are 180 tablets in here, and I got 2 of these when I got them. And my boyfriend and I have pretty weird sleep schedules, so we need help regulating our circadian rhythm. And that means that, you know, if he's waking up at like 2 in the morning, he has to be able to go to bed at a certain time. And so this helps us with that. It's really good for people who work like different weird shifts, or who are going through jet lag, or just people who are kind of restless and really need to sleep, but they can't. And so this kind of gives them a nudge. So melatonin is a hormone, and it's naturally produced in the body already. And it's really closely related to your natural sleep cycle. So it plays a big part. So when you take melatonin, you're actually kind of adding that to your body and you're nudging that along. So you're not actually adding, like, this is not a drug, a sleep drug that you're adding to your body. This is just something that you already have in your body, but it's helping induce the sleepiness. And it's not harmful. It's actually way safer than taking sleep medication. And it's not something that just knocks you out. It kind of helps you with your drowsiness. Remember, when you take it, don't stare at your phone afterwards or turn on all the lights. Like, that's part of what melatonin is about. It's about, you know, when darkness, your brain or your body starts, you know, making more of this melatonin. And so when you take it, this really helps induce that sleep and the drowsiness. I chose 1 milligrams because that's really all I need. A lot of people think that they need more, but, you know, a little goes a long way here. And it helps you fall asleep faster. And occasionally when I'm not able to sleep, I'll, you know, take 1 tablet to help. And you usually have to wait about 90 minutes for it to kick in. It's not an immediate thing. Just read a book, you know, and just relax and go about your evening routine, and then you'll get tired very quickly. So this is not something you should take right away when you're trying to sleep. It's something that, you know, gradually happens for you. It just helps with that process. So that's why they say this is a drug-free sleep aid. It is an aid. That's what it is. And it's a clinically studied ingredient. It is guaranteed quality and laboratory tested. And it is a quick dissolve, but it's not something that you dissolve under your tongue. It's something that you take like a pill, like water, and swallow it. So this is what they look like. They're little white round pills, and they don't have any taste or, you know, aftertaste or anything. They're for adults. You can't chew them. Don't chew them. No GMOs, no artificial coloring, no artificial flavor, no artificial sweetener, and no preservatives, no sugar, no starch, no milk, no lactose, no soy, no gluten, no wheat, no yeast, no fish. And it is sodium free, and it is suitable for vegetarians. So that just shows you like how serious this is. This is straight up melatonin. You do not want to take it in the morning because you'll just be all drowsy in the morning. Take it in the evening before you go to bed if you're going to take it. A lot of us have trouble falling asleep more than staying asleep. So this is for those people. And if you're a traveler, it's not a bad idea to have some of these on there in case you are dealing with the jet lag. And I got this one about 3 months ago, but I do have a second one and as you can see, there are a bunch left. I don't use this every night, so I would, you know, get more when I run out though. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you consider the supplement if you're having, you know, difficulty falling asleep. Just look into it. And this one, Nature's Bounty, is amazing. It's been around for over 40 years, and so, you know, they know what they're doing.